In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Ghost of Tsushima online PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Playing Ghost of Tsushima online on your PlayStation 4 is extremely simple. You will be able to do this as long as you have the latest version of the game. As you might be aware, one of the more recent versions of Ghost of Tsushima on all platforms introduced Legends, which is a unique cooperative multiplayer mode, so you need to be running the latest version of the game to be able to access Ghost of Tsushima Legends. So once you update the game, usually from the home screen, you will be able to find the option to enter Legends mode, so all that you have to do is choose Enter Legends. Alternatively, if you don't see this option, you will have to proceed with the campaign a little further. You can also find the guilds and the storyteller NPC in-game, and he is also going to give you the option to access Legends mode, so choose whichever option you prefer, either from the main menu when you boot up Ghost of Tsushima, or find guilds and the storyteller. The first time that you go into Legends mode, you will be guided through the process of selecting your class, so you will be able to choose between one of the four main classes: Samurai, Hunter, Ronin, and Assassin. Each class has unique abilities and playstyles, and it's important that you watch the tutorial so you can pick the one that is appropriate for you. Once you select any of the available classes, you will be given starter gear that is going to allow you to queue into one of the main modes. So you will be able to choose Play Now and then select between Quick Play, which is just going to matchmake you with random people online, Story, Survival, Rivals, and Challenge. Story is 2-player, Survival and Rivals are 4, and Challenge is going to be diverse. So choose whichever option you prefer. You will be able to start matchmaking with one of the 4 classes, and you can invite friends if you go back to the Play Now screen and you choose the Social tab, where you can see all of your friends who are online and inside of Ghost of Tsushima Legends. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Ghost of Tsushima online PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.